Hi friends, this is Vetrial. This tutorial I will teach how to copy the image in a particular folder. Okay, this is my project. I have the many forms here right now. I have created one folder like just a minute, I will create once again. So I delete those folder. I am creating the one folder. First of all, right click, add and new folder. Here I am naming the folder to images. Okay, so I need to save the particular images in this folder, many images in this folder. So what can I do? First of all, I need to add one form here, Windows form. Here I need to rename the form name. Just save image to directory dir and click add. So I got the form here. So I am just expanding this forms like that. After that I need to set the form starting form name. Save image to dir in a programs.css and save and run the project. So I will getting like that. Okay, now I need to add one button, change the name to upload like that and double click the button. I will get button one dot click event. Here I need to set open dialog, open equal to new open dialog. So here open you can set any name here, any which you are A, B, C, D or SS, anything you can set it. After and just open dot initial directory equal to C colon slash slash, put the slash slash here. One more thing I will tell, here putting the single slash, then you will get the error. Double slash then you won't get the error, or else you want to use single slash, then you have to put the single slash and before that you have to put the @ sign, then you won't get the error. Okay guys, now I am using double slash here. Okay, now I am setting the filter options. What is the filter option? I will teach step by step. Filter equal to, just I need to put image files star dot jpg and star dot jpg. So it will filter only JPEG file. You need all files method, then also you can put all files method. Just put one thing, all files. Here I am setting star dot star slash put star dot star star. Okay, now after that So I am setting the index name like open dot filter index equal to 1. Then it will be by default it will select image files. I will filter index 2, then default select in all files. After that, open dot show dialog. Now I am executing the project. So click upload. It will get, by default it will come JPEG file. So you can see where JPEG file is there or anything, you can see it likewise. Okay, after that we can do just if dialog result so we can set the dialog result here is possible or not. Here also I am pressing dialog result, show dialog. So okay, I am copy this, Control X, and over this cut this. In if condition you have to paste equal to system dot dialog result dot OK. Put the OK sign. Now if open dot file open check file is exits, then it will come here. Once we won't select the file, it will be come here. Now after that we have to system dot io dot file dot copy. Here we will asking the string source file and string destination file. String source file it will become open dot file name. After source file destination file, we need to set the destination files here. So before that I am doing one thing, we will clear one thing. Okay, just a minute. Just I am setting. I will create one folder in which directory, C drive. I will just make the one folder in new folder. Okay, I'm just copy the URL and paste it. I put a new folder also, new folder name, Control C, Control V / and which file name you want. I'm just putting ss.jpg. Before that I'm putting @sign. I already explained why I am using @sign. You using the single slash, then you can put the @sign before the string. Okay, now close it. Now run the project and click the upload button and choose a picture. Which picture you want, just select and click open. Now go to C drive and new folder. You will see that particular image comes here. So I will clear one thing. I am copy this picture folder to this desert image, but the name is Tribulus, but the image is same. So that's why I am giving the name Tribulus. It will be copy using this copy method and rename it. After that it will be saved into particular folder. Okay, so the thing is, once I made the project, after that I install to another systems or another any other places. At the time we need to create like C drive, like the folder name called new folder, anything. So I no need this kind of things. So that's why I am using inside the project I am creating an images folder. So I need to paste the images to particular this images folder. That's the things I need. So what can I do? So first of all I declare string path equal to application dot startup path. Application dot startup. I am setting the debug mode and run the project and select pictures or anything, select on image. So it will be go through here. So startup path you will see in my projects E drive. This is startup path E drive, projects, demos, record, bin and debug. This is our startup path. So you will see the startup path. Just here to select and show all files. Click show all files and you will see the bin, debug and record.exe. So this is our startup path. So I need to paste this images folder. So what can I do? I am just doing something. I will run once again. I will explain those things and upload. I am selecting images. Go to startup path. Click here. So you will get the startup path here. So here startup path here. So you can see how many I need to paste this record folder. I have the image folder in this record solutions. Okay, so here this is the directory. After bin I am using image. This is here. So how many characters there is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I need to remove this last 10 character. So remove this last 10 character. So dot substring, starting character 0 and ending character, just copy startup path dot length minus 10. Now put the debug mode here once again and click run the project and upload button. I am selecting just anything like images and press F10 here. Now go to the path. You will get, now I lost 10 characters. Last 10 character I removed it. Last 10 character I removed it. Now his path is E drive, projects, demo and record like that. Okay, so you will see the path, image path. Now go to open folder in Windows Explorer. You will see E drive, projects, demo, record images. I need the images for path. So just I am copy those lines here. I am deleting these things. Paths. So I am choosing this path here. path plus Control V images. So I need to put one more sign, slash, and again one more slash. Here I need to paste the name. Which name? I need to paste the names. Okay. Now put sss.jpg double quote. Now I am save the project and run the process. I need to one message box. I need message box dot show successfully added or uploaded. Just save the project and run. So once again I upload the image and select the picture. I select any picture and click OK. Upload successful. Okay. Now we will see the images here. Just hide those things and hide once again. You will get those here. Go to images folder, open in the folder in Windows Explorer. You have to click here, so you will get this image. So it's stored like that. Okay. Now I do one more things. I need a saved image here, which name I want, like that. Okay. So you want to same file name path, then I will do some things. So string correct file name. Here system.io path get file name. Here I need to put open file name. This is a source path name, so I am just paste and copy. So I have the correct file name here, so I need to change little bit plus file name. So viewing purpose I am just changing the little bit bigger. Correct file name. Okay. Now I just save and then run the project here and upload. Just go to pictures and pictures. I am selecting this picture and click OK. Open. Upload successful. Now close the project and open the folder in Explorer. So you will see the upload same file name and same pictures in the folder. Okay guys, now I need to upload this path into database. Save the path also in some database. So how can I do? So the things I will teach it right now. Okay. First of all, go to the view and server Explorer. Here I have many databases. Right now I will create one new databases. So right click, add connections and put dot or your computer name. I am putting dot. So I am entering new database. So image DB. I am naming the database name to ImageDB and click OK. Here server name you can choose your computer name or else you can put the dot, or else you have the Express Edition, then you have to put the your Express Edition server name. You can find the server name here. Once you have installed SQL Server, go to SQL Server Management Studio. Server Management Studio. Here you can find the server name. So I have is a Nimbuli-PC is my computer name, and SQL Expression is a server name. And also I have the two SQL Server database. One is SQL Server 2008 R2 and also SQL Server 2008 R2 Express Editions. So I am using a normal database. Okay, that's why I am putting here to dot and click OK. So you have already created ImageDB database, exiting database, then it will automatically fetch, or else it will be create a new one. So that's why it's telling the message. I am clicking yes, it will be create the new database like ImageDB. So I am finding the ImageDB. Inside the tables, I will create a one table. Right click, add new table. Here I am just put ID is int and path varchar max. I am choosing varchar max. Okay, now I am just putting save here. So is a table one is not a problem for me. Just I am clicking the save. So I have tables show. So here I didn't have anything. So okay, now what can I do? I need to insert the path to my table also. So first of all I need to declare using system.data.sql client, because I am using SQL Server now. That time I am using SQL client here. Now here SQL connection con equal to new SQL connections. Inside a connection, just click the this database name, database, right click the database, go to properties. You will find the connection string here and Control A and Control C. Inside a connection, I just in double quote I am pasting. Okay, now con dot open SQL command cmd, any name you can put cmd or anything, new SQL command. Inside a command I need to paste insert query. So you have doubt on any insert query, then just right click the table and click the new query window. Inside select that particular table and add, click the add and close it, and right click any place here and go to change a type, insert, select the insert values. So now select the one by one, so it will generate the queries. Just copy that query and close it, and in double quote you can paste it. Double quote you can paste it. So error will be throw. You put the @ sign before that, the no error will be placed. Or else you no need @ sign, then you can make it single line. Single line, then also won't be throw the error. Okay. Here after that just put the comma here. Here I will put connection, con connection. After that here to pass the ID value. Before that I am just path ID value equal to in single quote I put 1, and I need a path of the image. Okay, I need a path of the image. So just copy these things, and single quote Control V. I am removing this, and plus Control Z plus double quote single quote. But here throwing error because we have won't declare this correct string and path and all. So just copy this, cut this line and paste before the command string here. Now it won't throw the error. After that I am putting the ID number 1 and image path, this is Control S, and cmd dot execute non-query and con dot close, and save the project and run the project, and upload. Click the image and picture box, double click the image and select the this image and click open. The successfully uploaded. Now I close the project and go to the images folder and click the open folder in Windows Explorer. So it will upload successfully. Now I need to pass here, go to the database and click the show in folder Explorer. Now you will see the accurate image path here. You will see the ID and the image path will be stored in the database also. Image path is stored in the database. Okay. So we as well as store the images in particular folder as well as store the image path also in a database. So I need to add here, see, the path will be 1, the ID will be 1. I need to automatically increment the ID. Then so you can select so you can write the query here like that. Select max of ID from table 1, max of ID from table 1, and also is null, then sometimes is null, then you have to put ID equal to 0. I am setting max of ID, it will be get max of ID, then already ID is 1, the max of ID will be already I have the ID is 1. So I am putting the max of ID, now is coming 1. After that, in case ID is not there, no ID is not there, that time the max of ID will become null. So in case its null is comes in, that time it will be change the value to 0. After that I am just plus 1. So ID in ID 1 already is there, so max of ID will become 1. After that I am plus 1, so it will be max up id, it will be 2. The query automatically execute. So now I am just run the project and upload once again to another images like picture, jellyfish, and click open. The upload successful. Upload successful. Now go to folder in Explore. So you will get the jellyfish here, and server Explore you can show the table data and execute the table data. You will get 2 and jellyfish. It automatically store the image path in your particular folder, particular database. So you want to read that image in a grid view, like grid view. Grid view, then just and go to here. So I think I add one button here. So you want to one more button, just press the control button, hold the control button and drag the button, and then it will be create the button to automatically same font width and all. The font name will be 2. It will automatically create here. And put load. So I will add one text box also here. Text box, I need to increase the text box sizes. So properties, the font, I am selecting the font size little bit bigger, so 16. So this is should be ID. I need to set ID. Properties, go to label 1 ID. So I will add one picture box here, like picture box. Add a picture box here. Once I click the enter the ID number and click load, the picture will be load from the database. Okay, so double click here. So it will be one double click here, it will automatically trigger in the same click event. So you will see the events, because we using the control and track the button, the click event only same thing it will become. So I am changing the click event to 2 and press enter. So it will create the new event for the button 2. So inside a button I am writing I need to read the image path from the database. Okay, so just I am copying those things, just and paste it. So I have the connection string here, so I need this correct here. So this I need to enter the select query. So SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. So I need select query. So select star from table 1 where ID equal to text box 1, right? So single quote, double quote plus text box 1 dot text and I put the connections. So here no need open and close all. close and all, because using the SQL adapter you no need to put the open and close. The SQL adapter by default it will be open the connection and also it will be close the connection. Using the SQL reader or SQL command, that time only you can use the connection, open connection and close connections. And also I need to fetch the data to data table. So you need a data table, then you need to specify the system using system.data. So it will here space the namespace. After that only you can access the data table. So dt equal to new data table. So sda dot fill dt, sda dot fill dt here. So it's filling the details here. So I need to fill the dt here. I need to picture box 1 dot image equal to, I need to set the path to particular picture box here. Now image dot from file, I need to put a path here. So before we need to put the path, so I have the already string path here is there. Just copy these things and paste it. So path plus here I need to get the remaining path to database. So dt dot rows 0 and path of the image. So just copy this path name. So inside double quote I need to paste path to string. So path, I will put the debug mode here and run the project. So I will put the ID number, hit 1 and click load. Now I press the F10 button, F10 data table and fill the data table. So go to the view those details. So I am getting ID number 1 and image path like that. So hydrogens.jpg now and press F10. I already get the path of the particular folder path in record. After that I am just going to add this path and plus add this path plus this path, okay, and press F10. Now we successfully load the images. Okay, now stop the project and go to debug mode, debug, and disable all breakpoints. Then it will be delete all the debug modes here and click run. Now press 2 load. So we loaded the images. Okay, and one more thing, go to database. I already 2 images and 2 ID numbers is there. So one more thing I will do, save to images here and just go to, and size mode I am setting to stretch image and it will stretch the particular image size. Okay, how many big size images comes, it will be stretched in particular this picture box. Okay, now I run the project. Upload, click upload, select the picture box and pictures like penguin picture and open. So successfully upload. The ID will be 3, so I click the ID 3 and load. It will be loaded. So now what the contents are we developed right now. We try to load the image in particular folder, as well as we can save that image path into database, as well as we load the images using this ID. Okay guys, we will meet on next tutorial. Bye, see you later.